There are so many colorful feelings here. They can feel different in our hearts. Sometimes they make us smile or feel quiet. Let's discover them together. Hi! I feel so happy today. My heart feels light and I want to smile all the time. Happiness makes me jump and play. Do you feel happy too? Sometimes I feel sad, like when I lose my favorite toy. My heart feels heavy and quiet. It's okay to feel sad. I feel angry when things go wrong. My face gets hot and I want to shout. But I try to calm down slowly. Taking deep breaths really helps. Which feeling makes you smile and laugh? Is it happy, sad, or angry? Think. Yes, happy. Whoa, I feel surprised. Something unexpected just happened. My eyes open wide and I freeze for a moment. Surprises can be fun. I feel scared in the dark. My heart beats very fast. I want to stay close to someone safe. But I can be brave too. I feel so excited. Something fun is about to happen. I can't stand still because I'm so happy. Excitement gives me energy. Which feeling happens when you see something new suddenly? Is it scared? Is it excited? Think for a moment. Yes, it's surprised. I feel love when I hug my friends. It makes my heart warm and happy. Love is a very special feeling. It brings people together. Now I feel calm. My body is relaxed and peaceful. I breathe slowly and feel quiet inside. Being calm feels really nice. I feel proud of myself. I did something really well. It makes me feel strong and confident. I want to try more things. Which feeling makes your heart warm when you hug someone? Is it calm, proud, or love? Yes, it's love. We all feel many emotions every day. Happy, sad, angry, and more. All feelings are okay and important. Let's explore more together next time.